Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the the additional of not in today's newspaper on Monday, February the 26th, 2024. Told you earlier we have no extra puzzles or additional in today's newspaper. No, it's the additional of the weekend edition. Weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, February the 24th, 25th, 2024. We have 3 puzzles left in this additional. The Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Cipher Block, in Japanese Suguru. So 3 puzzles left in this additional, and the first puzzle I will do is the Letter Sudoku. This will be number 080. Yeah. And before I start, I always kind of printed, not digits, but these are letters. 27 printed letters. And the letters that I can use are unique. We have the D, the C, the M, the S, the I, the O, the E, the H, and the N. And the goal is to solve this word in the second row. It's a Dutch word. After I've solved this, I will translate this in English. Alright? So let's get started. We have I in this row, first row, I in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for I should be there. 4 missing letters in the second row. One of the missing letters, the D. We have a D in this big square, so no D in these 2 boxes. So the D could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another D in the third column, no D there. D should be there. Alright. 3 missing letters in this row. 2 of those missing letters are the C and H. We have C and H in this big square, so no C and H in this box. C and the H goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. C and H, C and H. Well, I know the word. So 1 letter is missing in the second row. The letter M is missing here. I know the word. Well, let me tell you in 2 minutes. The solution is in Dutch demonisch. In English, demonic. Demonic. All right. Let me continue. Let me see. Need to end here. E in this column, E in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We have an E in the third row, no E there. E should be there. Need an O here. Need an N here. We have an N. And I need a S here. We have an S, okay. Need a D here. C. Alright, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the D and the I. We have I and a D in the last row, so no I and D in these 3 boxes. I and a D goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So N is missing, M is missing, and S is missing. We have S here, so that's could be here, could be there. We have N here in the middle column, so the N could be here, could be there, and the M could be everywhere. Alright. Okay. Let me see. We need the M here. Interesting. Interesting. H. Four missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the H. We have a H in the third row. No H in these two boxes. So the H could be here, could be there. We have another H in this column, so no H there. H should be here. One of the missing letters in this big square is the letter C. We have a C in this row, so no C in these two boxes. So one box left for the C in this big square. Should be there. Two missing letters now in this big square for letters. M is missing and a D is missing. M and a D. M and a D. Here, these three should be the S is missing. We have a S in the second column, so no S in this box. S could be here, could be there. We need an O. O could be everywhere. And we need an N. We have an N in this column, so N could be here, could be there. So one letter is missing in this row, first row for the letter. M is missing. Yeah, M is missing. Two missing letters now in this big square for letters. O is missing. And the N is missing. O and the N. We have an N in this column, no N there. N should be here, and the O goes there. So we need an N here. N. Yeah, and in this column and in the last column, so the column between only three places left, and N should be here, or there. We have an N in one of these three boxes in this row, so no N there. N could be here, could be there. Need an I here. O, need an O there. O. C, need a C. C in the last row, C in the row above. So that row, only two places left for the C. Could be here, could be there. M. Come on. E. E. Yeah. D. Come on. I'm thinking. C in this column, C in that column, so the column between. Only two places left for the C. Could be here, could be there. Come on. Oh. Yeah. H in this column, H in that column, so the third column. Only place left for the H should be there. Alright. Now, four missing letters in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are... Oh, one of the missing letters is the E. Yeah, the E. We have an E in the second column, so no E in these two boxes. We have an E in the middle row, no E in that box. So one box left for the E in this big square. Should be there. E in this column, E in the second column, so the third column, only three places left for the E should be here, or there. We have an E in this row, no E there, so the E could be here, could be there. Well, in the last row, we need an E. Here can be E because we have an E in this column, so no E there. And these three boxes can be E. We have an E in this big square. So the only place left for the E should be there then. Alright. No E there, okay. Two missing letters in the last row. Letters O is missing. And the letter H. O and H. We have an H in this big square. So no H there. So the H should be here. And the O goes there. So here can be an O anymore. S and an N. Need an O here. O in this row, O in the last row. So in the row between only 3 places left for the O should be here or there. We have an O in this column, no O there, so the O could be here, could be there. O, S, and the C. O, S. Need an S here. Yeah, 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an O. We have O in the first column, no O there. O in this row, no O there. Only place left for the O in this big square should be there. So 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. I is missing, and C is missing. I in a C, I in a C. We have a C in this column. First column, no C there. C should be here. I goes there. Mark those 2 boxes all the way to C. We have a C now in the second column, so no C there. C should be there. So oh, I marked this box with O and a S. No, O and a N. We have an O in the second column, so here can be an O. So this box should be an N then. So 2 missing letters now, the O and the S. We have O in this first column, no O there. O should be here and S goes in there. S in the first column, S in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the S should be there. So 2 missing letters now in this big square. For the letters, N is missing and I is missing. N and the I. We have an I in this column, no I there. I should be here. And the N goes there. N, yes. I and the D, we have an I now in this row, no I there. I should be there. D goes there. Alright. D in this row, D in the last row, so the row between. Only 3 places left for the D should be here, or there. We have a D in this last column, no D there. So the D could be here, could be there. Need an O. We have an N here, so this box can't be N anymore. That box should be an N. Okay, 2 missing letters in this row. For letters, M is missing. And the S is missing. M and S, M and S. We have S in this column, no S there. S should be here. M goes there. Then, alright. So the D, the O, and I need a E here. Yeah. Need an E. We have an E in this column, so no E there. E could be here, could be there. Okay, E, D, and need an H here, yeah. Need an H in this column. Here can mean H. We have H in this big square, no H there. So the H could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another H in this row, no H there. H should be here then. H in this row, H in that row. So the row between the middle row, there are only 2 places left for the H should be here or there. We have H in the middle column, no H there. H should be here. C. Alright. Need an I here. Well, we have a pair. The I and S in this column. The I and S in the last column. So in the column between, only 3 places left for the I and S goes in these 3 boxes. I and S, I and S, I and S. And look, we have an I and an S in the middle row. So no I and S in this box. I and a S goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Let me think. Need an O here. Yeah. O in this row, O in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the O could be here, could be there. Need a C and I need a M here. Well, here can be an M. We have an M in this column. Yeah. So the M could be here, could be there. How about the C? O and the C. Well, let me wait. Need an N here. N. And in this row and in the middle rows on the row below, there are only 3 places left for the N to be here or there. We have an N in the middle column, no N there. N could be here, could be there. D, O. Oh, wait, C and H. We have an H now in this column, no H there. H should be here. C goes there. Need a C here. C in this column, C in the column next on the last column. There are only 3 places left for the C. Should be here, here, or there. We have a C in this row, no C there. C could be here, could be there. So the D and the E are missing in this column. D and E. Let me mark those. Okay. Here, the D and the O. Well, we have a D in this middle row, so no D there. D should be here. And the O goes there. Okay. So now 2 missing letters. The C and the M are missing. C and the M. Here, E and the O. We have O in this column, no O there. O should be here. And the E goes there. Alright. So we have E in this row, E in the middle row. So the row below, there are only 3 places left for the E. Should be here, here, or there. We have an E in this column, no E there. E in the column next, no E there. The only place left for the E should be there. And I've eliminated here the C, so the C should be here then. And I've eliminated the M. The M in the middle row should be here then. And I've eliminated the C, so the C goes there. Okay, here I've marked the box with the D and the E. We have an E here, so this box should be the D. So 1 letter is missing in this big square. We have a letter M, I believe. M, of course. And now, M and a D, we have an M in the middle column, no M there. M should be there. And the D goes there. M or a S, we have a M. So this box should be an S. So here should be M and the N. We have an M in this column, no M there. M should be here. N goes there. Okay. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with N. We have an N in this column, no N there. N should be here. So 1 box left in this row. Oh no, 2. I and a S. We have an I in this column, no I there. I should be here. S goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the letter S. And the final 2 letters in this big square for the letters I is missing. And the D is missing. I and a D, I and a D. We have a D in this column, no D there. D should be here, and the I goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, usually for a letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.